Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So how you can check system information in Windows? So there's two options to check system information. First option is search system information in start box system. The second option you can see the system information. Okay, so open the system information tab. Okay, when you open the system information you have lots of information here. You can see lots of things. Let me show you something just like version. Okay, manufacturer Lenovo, system name. Okay, you can see processor 12th generation. Okay, i7. Okay, 12 core. And if you see many things, you can see the RAM. Okay, you can see location, the OS location. Okay, and you can see many things. Okay, if you want to see, there are many things. You can see BIOS date. Okay, or version, and also you can filter in hardware components and software environments. Okay, so this is the first way. The second way, you can also open the system properties. How you can do that? Let me show you how you can do that. So first open the settings, click on systems, slide down a little bit, and the last option about. When you click on about, you can see the system information here. Okay, this is the mainly system information because it's not overall information just like previous, but you can see overall like overall. Okay, just like 40 GB RAM, 12th. Okay, uh, device ID, device information. That's it. So that's it for today. I hope this video helpful for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.